A new apprentice. Place your hands on my rune of judgment. Rune of qualification. Let me teach you a teleportation spell. I find it so much easier than walking. Hans will instruct you. Hans! Hans! There you are. Now, do as Hans does, apprentice. Focus on that block. Inspired. Let me get the door for you. Teleport yourself beyond the door, will you? Brilliant! Right this way! Right this way! Enter. Feast your eyes on a sorcerer's brilliance. Creatures of the underworld, obey my command. Oh, ignore him. Pudge, leave us. Leave us, Pudge. Shoo. Shoo, 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 shoo. Oh, fine. Might as well say hello. Oh, kiss Tummy and you'll leave us alone. Science of alchemy. Submerge those healthy hands into the cauldron and let's see what happens. Stick your hands into the cauldron. Nothing will bite. Probably. Ooh, let's do something about that awful smell. Do you see that tall fiery thing on the table? What's in your hand, apprentice? Put those away. Nothing to be afraid of. Just place one of your hands on these burning flames. Now that's an obedient apprentice. Touch a candle to... Much better. Don't worry, these flames are only dangerous to humans. Oh, right. Wash your hands in the water. Don't forget to wash it. Ah, that's good and clean. Now, see those electrodes on the counter? Use your wet hands to grab those sparkling spheres. Now squeeze your fist. Brilliant! You're going to love being my servant. Apprentice, I'll just pop down to the archives for your starting paperwork. And, oh, you see that box beside the cauldron? The one with the eyeball? Don't poke it while I'm away. Be right back. Here we are. It took ages. You underhanded apprentice. Those mischievous eyeballs will ruin my contraptions. Get them! Oh, how rude. Heavens, you've opened a malevolent rift. I'll admit, the demonic handbook is in this season. No, not my firebug collection. The eyeballs! Apprentice, get them! Oh, I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh, how enlightening! A mechanic marvel. I designed so nice nearby the toys. Oh, rubbish. The warranty on that astrolabe just expired. You must not rest until the eyeballs have all been caught. Oh, my hidden potation. It's still a bit raw. Doesn't appear perilous at all. Stick your hands inside the writhing abomination. That's never happened before. look at this place. I've no use for some try-hard apprentice with a mind of their own. Out! Out, I say! Out, out, out! Oh, boo-hoo. Everyone fails their first encounter with a sorceress. Before you go, could you sign this non-disclosure agreement? Pretty standard stuff. Go on, grab the pen and sign. I'll just file this in the archives. Come back when you're ready to learn some real magic. That is, if you think you can handle it. A new apprentice. Place your hands on my rune of judgment. Rune of